Hello, I'm Art and I'm going to show you how to update your profile. You go to the fourth tab in the app and that's your profile page. In the profile you see your cover image, what is default by now, and your name and a bio if you entered it. Now if we want to change this, we press the edit button on top and we can change your picture. Let's start with that. I can choose a picture. I like this one, but I don't like the composition so much. So I can pinch and zoom a little bit, I can put it in the right spot, and I can decide I'm happy with it. I can also change my name because I'm actually having a different name. Call it How to Art. And then my bio is an adventurer. Like this, adventurer, yeah? And I can save my link. And now I've updated my profile and they will appear in your profile. Now you can continue using Go and Walkabout, go on adventure and have fun.